ACADIA boasts a gas I4 2.5 L engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, STD, SLE preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, jet black, premium cloth, seat trim. This GMC ACADIA comes equipped with these options: engine, 2.5 L DOHC 4-cylinder SIDI with variable valve timing, VVT 193 horsepower, 144 kilowatts, at 6,300, 188 pounds-to-foot of torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute, 253.8 Nm, STD, engine block heater, crimson red tint coat, wipers, front intermittent with washers, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windows, power with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 4 to 17 x 7.5. 43.2 centimeters by 19.1 centimeters, aluminum, wheel, spare, 18 x 4.5, 45.7 centimeters by 11.4 centimeters, steel, toolkit, road emergency, tires, P245/65 R17 all season, age-rated, blackwall. Stop by today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your GMC ACADIA.